अफोर्डेबल प्राइसेस, गुड एक्टिव वेयर, एथलेटिक वेयर का गैप है मार्केट में, तो उसको हमने कवर किया अच्छे से कि इंस्टेड ऑफ यू गोइंग टू एडिडास और नाइकी और बाइंग समथिंग really expensive, why not get it from Fireox in a similar quality at a much affordable price? So I think we covered that gap, and over the course of years we became a clothing company. Khair, I think I went a bit off topic. So Fireox, the brand, the clothing brand, got me attached to Saudi Arabian Cricket Federation.
Okay.
क्योंकि I was watching a match once on TV और मुझे वो कुछ लड़कों की किट्स थी वो जो खेल रहे थे, कुछ साइजेस वाइजेस, यू नो, so I offered कि if you guys want kits, we can, Fireox as a brand can sponsor the Saudi national team. So that's how the journey started. We became the official clothing partner of Saudi Arabian Cricket Federation.
Nice.
We started making kits for the national team, which we have been doing for the last 4 years.
Okay.
पिछले 4 साल से Fireox ही clothing बना रहा है Saudi national team. At times we have done it for Qatar and other national teams as well. But alhamdulillah, our quality is very good. Players are very happy. Design is something we really focus on. तो ये जो जर्नी था ये वहाँ से स्टार्ट हुआ था.
सही.
कि I'm associated with the federation, और इस जर्नी में one person who has been a mentor and guide for me is Coach Kabir Khan.